Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to open a zip file on an iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to open any zip files, let's see how can you do that without any third-party app. You just have to simply open your Files app, and here just locate your zip file. So go to on iPhone here, and you just have to locate your zip file. So I have a zip file in my download section. So now you just have to select the zip file. Here's the zip file, just keep a long press on it, and here you'll get the option of uncompress. You must have to select this uncompress option, and once you have selected uncompressed, you'll get a folder of of the same name. You just have to select the folder, and you will see all of the content you have in your zip file. So in this way, you can easily unzip or open a zip file on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.